So dear friends, very good morning. Today we will study class 9th chapter number 4 linear equations in two variables. This is for exercise 4.2 page number 70. Page number 70, yes. The question is very good. I have written, find the value of k. Find the value of k if the solution is x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Find the value of k. Then find the value of k. Yes, find the value of k. You know, the most important thing is solution. Similarly, in 4.3, question number 3, 4.3, question number 3, page number 74, question number 3 is there. 3y is equal to ax plus 7, then and point lies on this line 3,4. point lies मतलब पड़ता है, रहता है, this point 3,4. then find value of a means this is a for unknown. You know, these two things, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 are the solution, and the point lies this on this x on this line, this point 3,4 lies. You know, these are the same thing. Means any point lies on any equation, then it is called solution of that. What does it mean? Let me clear. First of all, actually this is k. In my first video, linear equation part 1, in the first part, I have told you कि 2x plus 3y is equal to k. K may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 2x plus 3y is equal to, suppose I start from the 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. If I keep this 2x plus 3y constant and only change the value of k, you know, just like 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. In the first video, you will see in the first video I have shown. So these all lines will be, you know, parallel, because only the constant value are changing, and all that line, this the point is fixed 2.1. Where is this? I have made 2.1. Yes, this is 2.1. All that line, any line, which line is passing through this point? This is the question. I will show you. This type of lines will be all these. K means I don't know the value of k, but what should be the value of k, so that 2,1 point lies on that x, that lines. Means many lines will be there. So I am drawing this line. How to draw any line equation? Again, I have explained in very detail video number 1, linear equation. Here I will, you may x is equal to 1, then solve the value for y is equal to. So let me draw any equation, just like 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. This. Let me draw. Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. I will draw this. I can draw any line. So come on this line. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. You know, x is equal to 1, then what will be the value of, then draw this table. I'm going to tell this first table, which of the equation means, and I have told, if you have to draw a line, many points may be there, na, x and then y. just like for x is equal to, I will suggest one value. This again I don't like to do. You may here 1 2 3 4, you find the value of y using any one equation. Suppose I don't know the value of k, so that's why for example I take any value. So I take 6. Okay, 6. So for 6, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4. You will put here x equal to 1 2 3 4 and y, and then draw all the points. You will get line this. Similarly for here you will get all the points that will be parallel. This is shown in my first video, you will see. But in that video I have told all these point lies will make a line. So why don't we make all the points? We should to choose only one. First time x equal to 0, then y is equal to what, and second time y is equal to 0, at that time x equal to what. You will solve only for this value. So let me draw 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So 2x plus 3y, this is 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Okay, when x equal to 0, y is equal to, x equal to 0, this will be 0, 3y is equal to 6, means y is equal to 2. You will solve in your copy, solve this, then put the value y is equal to 0, 3 into y, 3 into 0, 0, 2x is equal to 6, so x equal to 3. You know, to draw in the first video I have told you, this is a line, y line, power 1. Okay, so many points you can take, but these points in which x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 are the point which are on the axis. If x equal to 0 means x equal to 0, you don't need to go anywhere. You will go only y axis. X equal to, this is 0, so this is 2, this is 4, 6, 8 and 10, like that. So this point 2 comma 0 lies on this this line 2 comma 0 comma 2. So 0 and this is 2. Okay, 0 comma 2. So this is the point where the line cut of y axis. Okay, now second, y is equal to 0 means on the x axis, y is equal to 0, and x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, first 3, 1, this 2 and 3, 3, x equal to 3, 3 comma 0. Now match these lines, 0 comma 3, 3 comma 0. This is only for your understanding, not for solving. The question is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. K is the variable which can change. I have taken only for the 6 for simple. I can take 7 also, I can take 8 also. You know, all the lines are parallel. Suppose why I have taken 6, because it will be simple. Suppose you take 2x plus 3y, okay, 6. So this is the line. All the points except, suppose you write x is equal to here, x is equal to suppose you write 1 in this equation. So x is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 2, 6 minus 2, 4, and y is equal to 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3, because if I take 1 and you will get 4 upon 3, so it will be somewhat hard, 4 upon 3. That's why I have taken this type of value. Okay. If you take 2 like that, so if you, this is the simplest, and after that let me draw 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to, suppose 12. Let me take 12 because it is again simple. So this is the line, you have confirmed the same line, but I have changed the variable. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So this is the 12 and the same procedure I will follow. This, because to draw any line only 2 points are required, only 2 points. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This, when x equal to 0, y is equal to 4. You will not write here, this is 0 comma 4. When y is equal to 0, x equal to 6. So we have point 0 comma 4, 0 x comma y, 0 comma 4, x 0 4, this is the 4. This is x equal to 0, this is y axis, and the second one is x axis. This, y is equal to 0, x equal to 6, y equals to 0, x equal to 6, y is equal to 0, x equal to 6. This is 6 comma 0. When you will join this line, you know, this is again only explanation. So sir, when you will solve the questions? Okay, I will solve. This was the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Because the calculation is easy, that's why I am taking here. You may take 2 and 3, 4 also, because 3 division. We can take 3 also. Chalo. 12 we have taken. After that 6, 12, 18. Okay, 2x plus 3y minus 4. Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4. If the same 2x plus 3y I take another one, 2x plus 3y is equal to, okay. In the first video I have told you 2x plus 3y, if this same, I have drawn this 2x plus 3y because I don't know the value of k. Suppose I write 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. So what will be the point? 2x plus 3y, draw. This is x, this is y. Put the value 1 times x equal to 0, and at that time get the value of y. This is minus 6. Because I have changed the value of k. Earlier it was for this was positive 6, this was 12, and I am taking minus 6. X equal to 0, y equals to minus 2, y equals to 0, x equal to minus 2, minus 3, this. So you have got 2 points. With the help of 2, you can draw this line 0 comma minus 2, x 0 minus 2 means this point, and x minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0, this, the 2 points. You will see these all the 3 lines are, because it is not chalked, and these all lines are parallel. If you only changed, suppose I write 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. What about this? If x equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. If x equal to 1, x equal to when x equal to, okay. Now let me draw another line. 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. This is x, this is y. So for x equal to 0, so y is equal to 0. x equal to, suppose I write x equal to 3. So 3 into 2, 6, minus 6, y is equal to minus 2. These 2 points. For the 0, how many lines I have drawn? 1, 2, 3. This is for, first I have drawn 6, then 12, and this was minus 6, 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. And then I am drawing 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. One point is 0, 0 because this line will pass from the origin, and this will 2 points. So this is the point 0, 0, and x equal to 3, then y is equal to minus 2. 1, 2, 3 and minus 2. Minus 2, this is the point. When you will join this point, this is the point, this is the line. So I have drawn 4 lines. You can draw many lines because all these are parallels. If you change only this, write in your copy if you want to write. If I changed only the value of k, the line position changes. So the first which I have drawn, this one, 2x, 4 lines I have drawn. This is the third one, this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. The first I had drawn this was 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, this line. The second one was 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 12 was there? Yes, 12. And this line 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. And the fourth line means, you see, only I am changing the constant. This line more extend, but I'm not drawing here. This is 2x plus 3y equals to minus 6. Means, you see, these are common, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. In the first video I have told you, this is ax plus by, and this is the constant, plus c is equal to 0. For this, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to, this will be plus ka 6, this will be 0, this will be minus 6, this will be this. Only if you constant a and b same and changes the value of c, you get parallel lines like this. So the question is, which line is parallel such that, what is the value of k? These all are parallel lines for different value of k. Which parallel line passes through x comma 2, y comma 1? Which passes through 2 comma 1? So 2 comma 1, this is. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. No, actually 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y, what? So that's why x equal to, you write 2x plus 3y is equal to k. You don't know, so you put the value, what? X equal to 2 here. X equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 3 into y1 is equal to k, and you get k is equal to 7. Means, if the variable changes, k is equal to 7. This was a solving, this was a small solving, you know, this was a solving. K is equal to 7. And similarly this question also will be solved, because these are not parallel lines, because A is changing here, A. So lines will cut each other. Okay. So 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So which is asking which line is parallel? 7. Because it is hard to make 2x plus 3y. When you will draw in your copy, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Draw this. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 7 upon 3, because it is somewhat hard, so that's why I have not taken. If y is equal to 0, then x equal to 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 means 3.5, and this is 7 upon 3. 2 से more than 2. X equal to 2 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. This is 2 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, and that was 3.5. This was the 3.5 and 0. This was very close parallel lines. This was 6, this was 7. This was 6, this was 2x plus 3y is equal to, this was 7, and 7 was your answer, because this point, when you will see this 2, 1, it passes from the 2, 1. So this was the solution. The solution was very simple. I have explained you why we put it. Means these all are our parallel lines. So he is asking which of the k, so that all these parallel lines will pass through this point 2, 1. They may give another point also. They are 3, 4. Means the point lies on. They may any point here, and they say they can ask what is the value of k. For the example, they have given 2, 1. Otherwise, the point should be lies here. They can give any value, x equal to 4 and 3, you have to find k. And similarly here, the point lies means 3, 4, lies means you will place the value here and you will get value. Okay, this was the question number 4.2, question number 4. So I'm only solving. This was the only for the explanation, and this is the solving. So much small. 2x plus 3y solution is given. Solution यानी कि point lies what, x equal to 2 and y equals to 1 means 2, 1. Given solution, yeah, point lies, the same thing, point lies this on this line. Given solution is this, so substitute and find the value k. Substitute 2, x, y is equal to 1, 3 into 1 is equal to k. So you will get k is equal to 7. So with the practical, with this was somewhat hard, but this was the practical. K value changing, and these all lines are parallel, and which of the line will pass 2, 1. This was the whole explanation, but this is only solving. In your book, this is enough solving. But for the understanding, if you want to understand, so these are required.